If you're a beginner and you don't know how to create your copywriting portfolio, this video will make it everything very simple for you. In the last video, I talk about practice, and you should already be doing that because practice is what builds your skill. Now let's move to the next step, which is a portfolio, because you need clients and clients want to see your portfolio to give you work. And this is a step where most beginners get confused. They practice, but they don't know how to show their work to their potential clients. And let me clear one thing for you: practice for learning, and portfolio for is getting your clients. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you create your portfolio and arrange your work to show your portfolio to your potential clients. So let's start this video. What is portfolio? Portfolio is just samples, and if you don't have real experience, you can add your practice work in your portfolio. And in your portfolio, you need to write one landing page, one sales page, few ads, and 4 to 5 emails. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. An email, you need to write one welcome email, one sales email, one campaign and promotion email, and one engagement email, and one cold email. And that's it. You need to make them believe you can sell for them by your portfolio. That's it. And one important thing, you don't need to niche down in the beginning of your career. For example, I only write for the particular industry, for example, clothing brand, fitness brand, or skincare brand, because for saying that you need to couple of year experience in that particular industry that you don't have. And if you're a beginner, you only need your sample, because your client only want to see if you can write that can sell for them. And be honest about that, because everyone start from zero. And let me show you how you can organize your portfolio. Go to the Google Drive and create a folder, name it copywriting portfolio, and inside that folder create subfolder, name them landing page sample, or and sales page sample, and email and ads. Anything you create here is saved automatically in cloud, so you don't need to worry about if your system crash, because your everything is saved in cloud. But you need to remember your password and Gmail, so you can access your work with any device and any time. And when you share your work or portfolio with anyone, set the setting view only, because so no one can edit and delete your work. And if you want real experience, you can work with small businesses or local clients, or apply for internship. But if they don't pay you money, that's okay, because you want experience. You can work for them 1 month or 1 to 2 weeks. That's it. And if someone asks you for money, don't pay that, because that's a big scam. That's a big red flag. Don't fall for that. And if you're serious about improving your copywriting, go watch my 90-day copywriting challenge video. It will help you to practice step by step. You can find my link in description, or here you will find. And this is a simple truth: no one hire you until you don't know how to write for them that make sale for them. That's a simple truth. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and subscribe. I upload one video every week, so stay connected. And in the next video, I will show you how to get your first client. So bye for now.